I promise to always be your secret keeper and someone you can confide in. I promise to raise our future children to have kind hearts and big dreams just like their dad. I promise to love you even when it's hard. I promise to love you in sickness and in health, for richer and for poor until death do us part. In this lifetime, you have been my crush, my boyfriend, my prom date, my high school sweetheart, my fiance, and my best friend. I'm excited to fall more in love with you and in your newest role as my husband. I love you today and always. Jadon Nicholas Maringer, I have loved you for 6 years now, and today I become your wife, and I get the privilege of loving you for all of the rest of them.
Honestly, I vow to love you with my whole heart, in the good times and the bad, for the rest of our lives. Courtney Lynn Borman, you have made me the luckiest man on the earth, and I cannot wait for our future together. I love you so much.
Sometimes when the fight burns through the night, leaving you tired, I'll wait for you here to hold you, my dear.
I, Jadon, take you, Courtney, to be my wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poor.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
As long as we both shall live.
As long as we both shall live.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
I, Courtney, take you, Jadon, to be my husband.
I, Courtney, take you, Jadon, to be my husband.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poor.
For richer, for poor.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
For as long as we both shall live.
For as long as we both shall live.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Courtney,
I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
As a symbol of my love and faithfulness.
As a symbol of my love and faithfulness.
Jadon,
I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
As a symbol of my love and faithfulness.
As a symbol of my love and faithfulness to you.
Symbol is a pleasure by the power invested in me by Almighty God and the state of Indiana to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss you. May I be the very first to introduce you.
Praying hands to the Father, oh, way too good to be bothered, oh, living life with no stress, yes, every minute's my best, yes, feel like I'm winning the lottery, buying my mama a house is harder than pottery, winning it just like I oughta be, things looking up, I'm living on the bright side, looking for that good life, everything is alright, riding on that golden wave, swimming in the fresh blue, pussy feeling brand new, sun is about to break through, ooh, I love the world.
Let's raise a toast to the newlyweds, and I want to get this right, that you may always find peace and joy in each other's company, and that your love grows deeper as you continue building a life together, the life that you both want, and a love that we can all admire. Cheers to the newlyweds.
Getting to watch both of them fall in love from the very beginning has been and always will be one of the biggest privileges of my life. It taught me not to settle for anything other than true love. And without a doubt in my mind, I know Courtney and Jadon's love they share is true, selfless, gentle, kind, and joyful love. And I wanted to give you something that helps represent your love with this clock of when you have officially became married with the exact time. And I love you both. Thank you.
Jadon, I want you to savor this moment because, ladies and gentlemen, you have just witnessed the last time this married man will ever have the upper hand or the last word. Courtney and Jadon, thank you for showing me what true love looks like because I've never seen two people more in love and in sync with each other than you two. I love both of you so much and I hope nothing but the best for both of you. Thank you.
Looking for that good life, if everything is alright, riding on that golden wave, swimming in a fresh mood, glossy feeling brand new. Sun is about to break through. I love the world today. I'm living on the right side. I'm living on the right side. I'm living on the right side. I'm living on the bright side. I'm living on the bright side.